Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park Field. All right, we got her together. Did the range test. Let's do a control surface test of the X-FLY SIRIUS. Just to show my rates to you, I've got 125% on my ailerons. I've got 70% on my elevator because I've heard how twitchy it is, and 100% on my rudder. 20% expo all the way around. That's my rate. And there, looks like my rudder was there. All right, let's make sure we're still filming, and we are. Okay, I've stalled enough. Timer set for 3.5 minutes. I'm running roaring top. I think it's a 40C discharge 6S. All right, right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. Folks, I'm nervous. Probably going to fly around with the landing gear right off the bat. So definitely needs some down elevator.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Landing flaps.
Gonna have to get used to her. Right now I'm flying around with the flaps on. Oh, not bad at all. Okay. Oh man. Am I nervous? Let's do a little. You know, she's actually quite stable. Sorry about that.
Landing flaps.
Man, she'll slow right down. She will. I'm a little high right now. We're gonna bring her by.
Flaps up.
Bring her by slow. And I'll kick the speed up.
Time remaining 1 minute.
There we go.
Landing flaps.
Oh man, this is like flying the T-28 all over again, my big Carbon Z. Well, she got some momentum on her.
Flaps up.
All right, we got 36 seconds. Well, she will carry her momentum, as Bobby K said. But you gotta give her plenty of runway.
7,
Yeah, she needs the runway.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have, I got a really short runway here. Not bad at all. A lot less scary than I thought it was gonna be. But here you go, folks. That is the Maiden.
Motor off.
Oh man. That is the Maiden of the X-FLY SIRIUS 80mm EDF. And you know what? I flew for a full 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, I don't have my checker. Let's take her back to the bench. Oh, and let's see how much battery life I've got after 3 minutes and 30 seconds. I got to learn to keep the battery checker in my pocket, but I didn't. So let's, I got Mr. Calloway out here in my audience. Hello, Mr. Calloway.
Hi.
And let's see what kind of battery life we've got. Man, I'm just shaking. You can see where I've got that roaring top 5000. It's 35C. It's about a finger length and a half in from the front firewall. So let's bear with me, folks. Bear with me. Oh man, that just, my heart died. I tell you what, you know, something's gonna keep your heart going. Oh gosh, folks, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to take the battery out. I can't quite get a hold of it. I'll fast forward for this part of the video. I know I don't normally edit, but when it's benign stuff like battery checking. All right, battery's hot, 14%. So yeah, I pushed that battery pretty hard. But looky here, 14%. I got one cell out of balance too, so that's part of the problem right there. So if this had been a Spectrum battery, it wouldn't have been a problem. All right, folks, well, still a successful Maiden. That is the X-FLY SIRIUS. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, faith, family, friends, and then planes. Bye-bye.